Hello friends. One of the most important aspect of exam preparation is your strategy and approach. So in this video, we are going to highlight how to prepare for NEET PG 2022 with Dream subscription. Let's start with the video content first. Video content by the Dream team is one of the best source for the PG preparation. Most of the faculty members are authors having the teaching experience of more than 10 years. Being an author, you know the pattern of questions asked in exams, hot topics, changing trend, by which you make your students ready for the current exam battle. The Dream Team makes the learning easier with mnemonics, images, flowchart used frequently in the videos. You can have the look of slides and notes while watching the videos as slides and notes are integrated with the videos. Videos covers every topic as required and there are transcripts in the videos also. So if you want to jump to some particular topic within the video, you can directly watch that particular topic video. Second is the notes. Remember, for the best results, there should be single source of study for each and every subject. And the best source is prep notes. Prep notes are complete, concise, comprehensive, colored, and it includes important images also. It becomes very easy for you to revise the stuff with prep notes. There are system tags also. Previous year's questions of NEET PG, INICET, AIMS are discussed thoroughly by the Dream Team. Another unique feature is custom module. Custom module allows the users to customize the question bank as per their needs. You can customize it on the basis of difficulty level, number of questions, subjects, topic, system tags, like you want to practice the questions of urology, GIT or plastic surgery. There are exam tags also, whether you want to practice image based questions or questions of AIMS. Prep test is best for your self assessment. You can evaluate yourself thoroughly on the basis of number of questions attempted, number of options marked, number of correct options marked, number of incorrect options marked, your percentage and your all India rank. In the prep test, there is detailed analysis of your performance on the basis of marks, percentile and time taken. The additional features of prep tests are test summary and subject-wise analysis. Subject-wise rank shows the count of total number of students who have attempted the test so far. Rapid Revision 3.0 Q Bank contains 2500 plus high yield, clinical, integrated questions, and these questions are based on latest exam pattern. It includes holistic explanations, active guidance, and tagged treasures. Rapid Revision 3.0 notes are well structured, concise, based on Rapid Revision 3.0 videos. It includes previous year questions also for easy revision. And it has added revision aids like integrated maps and concept ladders. Snapshot 3.2 notes are concise, high yield, based on Snapshot 3.2 videos. It includes colored and high quality images. There are high quality images in Snapshot 3.0 notes, and all exam relevant facts related to the images are also given. You can connect with the faculty members on the Premium Club where you can ask your doubts, your confusions, your controversial questions. Sometimes we feel anxious about our preparation, and on Premium Club, students used to ask the questions related to the stress about the exam preparation. Let me tell you, it is said that mild depression is the part of preparation. Mild depression is the part of preparation. So we are there, the Dream Team is there for the hand holding to support you in such kind of situations also. There is another feature, that's the group study feature. In the group study feature, you can create your friend list. A premium user can add 3 of their friends to the friend list on the app via 3 access points: sidebar, home screen and test analysis screen. One must be a premium member and their chosen friend must be a premium subscriber. You can add up to 3 friends and have the option to cancel the friend request in case you change your mind. If your friend does not accept the request within 48 hours, it automatically gets cancelled. Updated information. After you successfully create a friend list on the app, you will have access to updated you versus others, updated performance graphs, and updated leaderboards. In you versus others, you can compare stats, gamification data with your friends. You can check the number of hours your friend spent watching videos, the number of MCQs attended, and overall test percentage. It enables you to compare your stats with your friends. In integrated essentials, two or more faculty members covers a topic or a section as a team for enhanced learning experience, and it gives you an edge for the new pattern of integrated questions asked in NEET PG and INICET. Another unique feature is clinical essentials. In clinical essentials, there are videos that covers real life clinical cases to ensure that students are able to understand the concept and retain those well. These are the amazing features of PrepLadder. So welcome to the world of dream learning by Dream Team. Congratulations for having the PrepLadder, the best source for NEET PG preparation.